my floor. It's what is it? That's loose. This one opened up. Come on. That opens up. That one's free. That one's free. This one probably won't move. That one does move. This one, clean up the gunk here. Clean up the gunk. Here we can put it in here. What am I doing? Just taking shit apart. That's all. And what am I using? I'm using a bicycle wrench I picked up. I got this thing in the 80s. It's been around forever. And just had it forever. So just was the only one that fit. So I just had to use it. Take these damn gloves off. If I remember correctly, this is the clutch from a washing machine. So I'm just curious to see how much oil is going to pour out of this damn thing. Pretty sure something's going to pour out of it. Pretty sure. There we go. There's a nice rubber gasket on here. It's sealed pretty good. Come on. Take this out of here. Not sure how to get this out of here. Looks like some kind of clutch. And I'm guessing I would have to squeeze this to pull it out. So, this is my best guess. It's always that one. That one bolt that doesn't want to come out. Like the liquid gasket they put on here is the liquid gasket doesn't want to come off. Let's see, that's the small one here. Come on. Come on. There we go. Did it come off? Did it come off? It looks like it. Seems like it's moving, but I don't think it is. Oh, I think it's moving. It's moving. I want to cut this bar in half, see what I can do with it. Metal bars are always good. All right. I will have to speed this up and show the folks that up there what's in here. One more to go. Let's see this. Take this gasket off here. There. Come on. vice grips. I think so. I don't want that one. I don't want that one. Let's use these ones. Here we go. Look at that. Come on. Come on. Get in there. A video without vice grips is like a video without vice grips. Now, take these little things and put them over here for now. Take this side of here. Put all this crap on this side. Close the knife so don't cut our finger off. This can go over here. That can go over there. Take the little brush. Put that over there. Take all this junk. Get the box here. There we go. Now, do you think oil's gonna leak out of here? Is there an oil drain? I don't know. I don't see a drain. I don't see anything. So let's see if we can pry this open. Let's see. Damn. Let's see this. Oh. Some kind of liquid in there. Some kind of monster. How in the world does this come apart? Something's gonna ooze out here. I can feel it. Or it's greased. Yep. We got some liquid goo coming out. Ugh. How's this part going to detach from this part? Don't think so. What the hell? What is holding this in? Let's come off here. Aha! Got a retaining clip here. That come off. Hey, look. There's a retaining clip. Come on. Right off here. Oh, there's another one. All these clips. Oh, look at that. Oil and grease and all kinds of fun. Let me get a pair of rubber gloves here before I get covered in oil. Where's my gloves? Shit. I broke the damn glove. God damn it. Let's see. 1, 2. Come on, get in the box. That's gonna get messy, and I don't think I have any paper towels in here. Oh well. Let's see. Let's take this off of here now. Wasn't that gooey? Look at this. Some kind of freaky shit going on here. Come on, frick. Now I gotta get the frickin' things out here. Let me see. Come on. I know somebody's laughing at me out there now. There we go. There we go. This is only a destruction video. It's not a how-to video. There we go. That up there. Get this off here too. It's got some ooze on here, man. Come on. Oh, look at that. There we go. Plastic. That's weird. Ay, ay, ay. We better get some rags. Lots and lots of rags. Here we go. Look at that. Look at that fun. How does this come off? No idea. But it's getting pretty gooey. It's getting pretty freaking gooey. Pretty sure there's a clip on here somewhere. Yummy, yummy, yummy. There was a clip right on the bottom. Alright, let's put this somewhere. I have to put it in. Where the hell can I put this thing? See that? Want to take apart greasy shit? So you get yours. Let's drop it in a box. Yeah. Let's put this in here. And we'll throw this out too. Grab a couple of more old rags. Don't worry, folks. I am not leaving this in my garage. Look at this ooze. Yummy. The green goo. Well, my table won't rust right here. Who knows? Probably burn a hole through it for all I know. Well, that's the inside of that sloppy thing. Come on. Get out of here. How do we get this apart? There's got to be another little ring here somewhere. Pop off. There's a retention hook here somewhere. You know what? I'll just freaking throw it all out. Yeah, there we go. This stuff is definitely sticky. Ooh. Ooey, ooey. Ooey and gooey. Yum. Yummy, yummy. Look at that. Anyway, we'll figure out what's in there. I just like taking apart. I'll make a big long video of me scrapping stuff this time. Just random. Nothing. I'll call the video "Nothing Here to See." Really, there wasn't much. That was boring. That was boring. All right. Let's see. Bench is nice and clean. That's a mess. Yeah. Cool. Cool. Very cool. Ooh. There we go. Alrighty. There we go.